Namaste. I'm so blessed to be here in this extraordinary gathering of winners at the best institution of higher education in the country. I am here as the first woman with a 90% disability to ever complete a PhD in any of the IITs in their illustrious history. This is possible today. This barrier has been broken because IIT chose to see my ability instead of my disability, and also because several assistive technologies are available now, like speech activation software, that really make the playing field even for us. For me, today is historic because I represent a segment of society that is largely invisible. 1 out of 4 people have some form of disability, but we are never seen. Only 6% of girls with disability even get to go to school. So I beg that there should be some more concerted efforts being taken so that our basic right to our education can be met, and more people like me can come through these doors, and this broken barrier can remain broken forever. I was a state level cricketer and swimmer, and when I completed high school, I was at the top 2 percentile of the entire US population. But then I chose to come back to India. Then an accident left me paralyzed below the neck because of a spinal cord injury. I was shocked and broken, but I kept fighting. I was denied admission into college, and I didn't know what to do, but I kept fighting. And when I came to know that people like me were being forced to commit suicide by their own families, I started Soul Free. Soul Free is a public charitable trust that has been running for more than a decade now to improve the quality of life of persons facing a lifetime of paralysis after spinal cord injury. Soul Free is supporting more than 3,000 families today, and we have established India's first integrated spinal rehabilitation center at Tiruvannamalai. The Soul Free Inspire Center is transforming the lives of millions and ensuring that they are able to lead lives that are self-reliant from a physiological, psychological, and socio-economic perspective. If I can transform 3,000 lives, each of you can do so much more. I request you all to stay in India and fight and work to ensure that India becomes prosperous, inclusive, and accessible to all. I would like to thank my guide, Dr. Hemachandran Khara, and my co-guide, Dr. Sujata Srinivasan, who have stood by me despite very challenging times. But most of all, I wish to give my deepest gratitude, pranam, and salutations to my mother, without whom I will not be alive today. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.